Welcome to GP Edgar's channel. It's good to have you back. In this video, I'll be sharing with you on how to make money from your WhatsApp. So if you visit my channel for the very first time and you've not subscribed to my channel, please do well to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I drop content like this. And don't forget to like this video and drop in the comment section if you have any question, and share this video to people you think will need it. Now let's dive into today's video. One thing you should know is making money is a thing of the mind. You can actually start anything without commitment and you can finish without consistency. So you should have this in the back of your mind and change your mindset making money. I said what I said, that you can actually make money from your WhatsApp. And there are different ways of making money out of your WhatsApp. And number one of these is making an advert. You can actually help people to advertise their goods when you have lots of followers. And how do you get this? You can actually get followers by creating a group that's a VCF file group where you get to get some contact from different places all over the world, and it's very easy. I'm going to be teaching you on how to do that. Let's go to my system.
Create the VCF file. What need you do first is this: my WhatsApp. You create a group. You create a group, your first group, new group, and definitely there should be someone that has similar interests with you, so you will add that person to group. Since in creating a group you have to have at least a person in that group that has similar interests with you. Then let me just add my friend. Okay, now I can name the group VCF file or contact gain group. This is it. Then you can decide to do your normal permission stuff. After creating a group, since the person in this group has similar interests with me, I will just copy the link of this group. Then do some little write-up on it, then lock this group. I'm gonna lock this group so that I can be the only one to be dropping message. That's not telling group name. Okay, that's it. I think I'm the only one who can send message now in the group. Then I'll draw, let me say gain 101k views on your WhatsApp status group. Then I'll just drop the link. There's the link. Then share it. Then what I'm going to do now is I'll share this same link to my status so that anybody that is interested, they can actually join the group, and I'll share it to my status. It's already there. So some of the contact that I have, anyone that will be interested, they are going to click on the link and join the group. Then I'm going to do another write-up that to get the VCF file, DM the group admin with your name, and then the group admin with your name. Then once they DM me, I will not tell them what to do in order to get the VCL file. Now what I will do now is, because all of them will have to repost it so that their own viewers can actually join the group as well. That's how we gather each other. Then how do I create the VCL file? What I need to do is just to get to my contact. This is my contact. Then select some few numbers. Get it? Select some few numbers. Now share as V card. You get it? Now what I need to, after they have sent their names to me, I will save their name. Maybe I can decide to add a prefix of X to their name so that I can easily identify them, that they are the one in the group. You get? So I might just decide to add a prefix or a suffix to their name, that's the end of their name, so that I can easily identify them. Now I will share as V card. I shall then drive. What I do now is to rename my name. Then let me just use the prefix that I use in saving their name. We are making assumption now. Let me say I saved their name. I added the prefix GP. Yeah, GP. Now just say GP VCF file. Then save this. Let me not save it to my Gmail. Let's save it to another Gmail. Then save this VCF. Now the VCF file has been saved. Now what need I do is just to send the file to them. Come to my editing, get to document, and search for it. Search from gallery, browse document on piano. Authorization. GPVCF. No. Okay, browse document. Drive. Which of this did I save it to that time or I don't know. It's like I've forgotten my drives. Okay. I've actually forgotten the name of the drive that I said. Okay, GP file. Now what need I do is just to click on it and send it to them. Boom. You get? So any of them that clicks on this VCF file, the contact, that's the name of the people in this group, will automatically save to their contact. You get? That's how to create the VCF file.
The recent update on WhatsApp now is favoring the content creator. So if you are a content creator or you have content that you can create, you can actually start from your WhatsApp, your little content. You can actually start from there, then you boost it up with little amount of money, and then you can start your creation from there. You'll be known, and someday if you are really consistent and committed, definitely you'll blow up. I know, so I'm very sure about that. From there you can actually start. That's another way of making money out of your WhatsApp. Instead of the list selling contacts to your followers. Well, first, in the beginning of this video, I actually taught you on how to get more followers and more viewers on your status and more engagement on your WhatsApp status post. So you can as well from there start your own advert that you can actually boost the contact of other people, that's your viewers, and they will definitely be interested in it because the one needs a lot of views. That's the reason why we post. We want people to see what we post, so people can go as far as paying a lot of money, up to $10 to $15 for you to advertise or give them their desired views on their WhatsApp views. And the other on this list is starting a pre-order sales. Since you have this contact from the VCF file, you can actually start up a business, a pre-order sales, where you have to gain trust from your contact. Since they are your contact, they know you so well that you're not going to cheat them or something, you're not going to scam them. So you start posting or you connect with vendors, I'll drop in the description box my WhatsApp link so that you can contact me, so that I will show you on how to connect to a vendor that can actually be giving you products on cheap sales, many down to accessories. So you can actually be making sales from there. They will have to pay first, then you purchase the goods and send to them, then you have your own profits in it. Please, disclaimer, I will never chat you up to send them money or send you my WhatsApp link for you to chat me up, or any other social media account for you to chat me up. My links are in my bio and in my description box, so do well to visit all of them, or any of them that you need. But to subscribe to this my channel, let's build together, and share this video to people you think will need it. We've come to the end of today's video.